Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the paper trading account balance in Tradingview. So right now the first step that we need to do is we click on trade and we connect paper trading right there. If you don't see paper trading right here, you can search here by clicking on the search icon, but I see it already here. So we click on paper trading and then we do connect right here. Then after this, we go here to my name, Tommy Flux, where you will find your account as a demo or as a normal account. Now, let's say we want to change our amount on demo 1. That is not possible right here, because if you go to settings, we can change the amount that we created our account. So the only thing that we can do is click here on account, click on create account, and then right now we can change the balance for a new account right there by clicking here or here, and then choose the amount that you want to use for your account. Then after that, give the account name, select your leverages, and then click on create. So let's do right now demo 2, create. And now we created an account with the balance that we want. So this is how you can change the paper trading balance on your account by just creating a new account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.